Hello there, my fellow notebook aficionados, and welcome back to the channel. If you have been following along for the last few videos, you already know that we are in Taiwan to attend Computex 2025. And to bring you all the latest news from one of the biggest tech shows in the world, MSI sponsored today's video and a part of our travel costs so we can cover everything happening in Taipei, including, of course, all the new products they have been launching themselves. So stay tuned for a simply gorgeous new special edition of their super light Lunar Lake powered Prestige 13. The Claw A8, not only in a new color, complete with some additional visual accents, but the 18-inch handheld also gets an AMD Z2 Extreme-powered sibling with new colors and a slightly updated chassis. MSI also continues their ongoing collab with AMG with 2 new models, and we got a sneak peek at some unreleased business models with amazing new chassis and also some sexy looking 16 inches very secretively treated when we asked what might run them once released. In addition, there are of course also new releases featuring Nvidia's mid-rangers, namely the RTX 5070 and RTX 5060. And I got the chance to spend some more time with the all-new Crosshair 18HX, a relatively affordable 5070 and Intel HX-powered 18-incher, and the new Stealth A16, running a pretty interesting AMD and RTX 5060 combo. And if we are really lucky, we may even be able to run some early benchmarks on these, so please make sure to subscribe if you want to get an early look into what Nvidia's most affordable mobile GPU for now is able to deliver. Alright, let's get into it, we have a lot to talk about. How about we start right away with the special edition for the Prestige 13. And man, I know this is a sponsored video, but this one looks absolutely fantastic if you ask me. The display lid is covered with a screen-printed traditional Japanese artwork in a pretty lengthy process consisting of several manually performed steps. So you can probably imagine why this beauty will only be available in limited quantities. But if you truly want something unique that is not over the top but rather looks quite classy, definitely keep the Prestige on your shortlist. While it may also not be the most practical design decision, the keycaps are also covered in a shiny coating with the matching gold font. Yes, I know it will attract fingerprints like crazy, but I can get behind this form over function approach here and appreciate the attention to detail. As is typical for MSI's special editions, you get a pretty generous set of extra goodies, including a mouse and a desk mat, all wrapped up in matching packaging. Under the hood, the Prestige can keep up with its good looks. It sports Intel's Lunar Lake Core Ultra 9 288V, 32 gigs of RAM, a contrasty OLED, and a pretty generous selection of ports in a super mobile package with impressive battery life. We actually reviewed the regular variant quite a while ago, so please feel free to check out the article on the website. In addition to the sleek 13-incher, we saw some subtle matte black 16-inchers that sport a similar design to MSI's next-gen business lineup and a similar display lid treatment to the smaller 13-inch product. Unfortunately, we did not get any additional answer on what kind of silicon will power these particular notebooks, but from a design and chassis quality standpoint, they left a very favorable first impression with clean lines and high quality construction. They actually have a whole lineup with the new chassis ready for next-gen CPUs and in a wide variety of display sizes and form factors. And it's a pretty fresh take on how productivity laptops can look like if you ask me. Alright, let's talk handhelds. While the Claw A8 we just recently reviewed with a very positive verdict, I might add, gets a slight visual upgrade and a very generous 2TB of storage with the Polar Tempest edition, it also gets a new sibling with the AMD powered Claw A8. That one is pretty much the very first officially announced handheld betting on the Strix-point-based Z2 Extreme. So it will be very interesting how that one stacks up against Intel here, and since it's within a very similar chassis, it will make for a pretty apples-to-apples comparison. So please make sure to leave your subscription so you won't miss that video as soon as we can get a sample for you guys. While most of the specs and overall inputs are identical between both models, the AMD-powered handheld gets a visual overhaul and the chassis is quite a bit more edgy than with its Team Blue-powered brethren. The ergonomics are still really good, at least as far as I can tell from my brief hands-on time with it. And if you think the original Claw was a bit too subtle, you can get this one either in white or this pretty crazy green color. So yeah, let me know which color you would prefer, sound off below. As I mentioned before, MSI also continues their partnership with AMG, and the Stealth A16 variant keeps all the same automotive design cues we saw already in last year's version, but of course it gets a spec bump to the latest RTX 50 series GPUs with your choice of either Intel or AMD CPUs. In addition, and if you prefer something lighter but still want to tell the world that you are a car guy, the Prestige 16 joins the exclusive club, being allowed to wear the two prestigious logos side by side. Again, you get a few visual goodies and AMG logos all around the chassis, in combination with some exclusive accessories and an elevated unboxing experience. This leaves us with the new gaming laptops, and of course for Computex this means mostly RTX 5060 and some RTX 5070 powered laptops. Two models in particular caught my eye because of their overall feature set and targeted price point. The first one would be the Crosshair 18, which combines a beefy Intel HX CPU with the RTX 5070, a generous amount of RAM and a QHD+ 240Hz IPS. And this package aims to make the 18-inch form factor more accessible for gamers in a more value-oriented chassis without compromising on overall quality. Along similar lines, the Stealth A16 will be available with a 95W RTX 5060 combined with AMD's Ryzen 7 and a full metal magnesium alloy chassis. I have actually always been a big fan of this particular chassis since it combines a sleek look with relatively low weight. And seeing it in a bit more of an accessible configuration could be very interesting. We have also been able to run some early benchmarks on these two samples, so please keep an eye out on the channel for the next few days so you won't miss an initial preview of what especially the RTX 5060 can deliver. Alright good people, that should already be it for today. Once again, a big shout out to MSI for sponsoring our trip to Taiwan, so we have been able to cover everything that was happening at Computex 2025 for you guys. If you want additional information about any of your products I have mentioned, please check out the link in the description below. And with that, it's almost time to pack my bags for me and make my way back home. So as always, thanks a ton for watching, please leave a like and sub on your way out. My name is Alex, you have been absolutely fantastic and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.